JNTU and OU affiliated colleges exposed. The intention of this video is not to create any hatred or defame any of the university. It's just based on my perspective and my personal opinion. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Do not skip it for even a second so that you know the exact reality of these colleges. Let's begin the video. The most disgusting thing happening in these colleges is they are still following the age-old syllabus, and there are so-called PhD professors who are preparing students for marks. They want students to secure 10 by 10 GPA, 95% and above, and they end up providing important questions and just teaching the exam-oriented topics. Not only this, most of the valuable time is being invested in writing useless assignments which are of no use. As this trend is going on, one student writes the assignment and the entire class copies that same assignment, and the teacher does not bother about it. Instead, teachers should conduct various seminars and allot individual projects in order to provide marks. More than 90% of the students who are studying from these colleges are lacking skills which the corporate sector demands. According to a survey done by Economic Times, 90% of Indian engineers lack key skills. So the JNTU and OU officials should look into this matter. And the students who are studying from JNTU and OU affiliated colleges, their creativity level is being killed completely, and their thinking levels are also narrowed down. So the ultimate goal has just become is just collecting fees and making students busy with the assignments, project work, exams, etc. When a student joins an engineering college, he expects a lot, but the reality is his valuable time is being wasted behind these useless things. University should remove the credits for these kind of subjects, dry subjects. Because of these subjects, students are not able to give enough time on core subjects which are very much important for students' career. And also, there is no such proper system to give feedback or suggestions directly to the JNTU or OU officials so that they improve the standards of these universities. And if we look into the world ranking, OU ranks at 2148th position and JNTU ranks at 2952 position, which means that these universities needs a lot of improvement. One of the serious problem which most of the students are facing is the delayed release of results. Suppose that a student got a backlog in a particular subject and he applies for reval. By the time he reaches next semester also, the results are not released, but the exam fees dates are out. Now he has no choice. As the reval results are not released, he don't know whether he has cleared that particular subject or not, and end up paying double exam fees. And these universities doesn't even bother. So through this video, I want to give various suggestions to JNTU and OU officials in order to improve their standards. So the very first thing is they should work on developing students' soft skills from the very first year of their engineering. The most important suggestion is, as university is conducting exams for students, there should be separate exam for teachers too, in order to keep them updated. And university should encourage colleges to conduct inter-college competitions and give huge cash prize to the students. If you find this video informative, hit the like button. The like target is 700 likes. And if you are having any suggestions, then feel free to comment in the comment section. And most important, do share this video among all your WhatsApp groups so that it reaches JNTU and OU officials and they look into this matter. And if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe this channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.